So down in the Wellsville Trails area, we decided to run this Hell Trail, which we've done before, and chose a line to the left to enter the rock crawl, and turned out to be a mistake. You'll see here. Reverse! Shit! Oh! Everybody okay?
Jason, you okay? Did you spill your white claw?
After assessing everyone was okay, we all went into action here to get Jason's Jeep flipped back over and get it up and running again. We ended up using a snatch block to a tree to the rocker rail, which was attached to the frame, to get this thing back over. Worked out pretty good, came over pretty soft. Ended up using a second winch behind it to kind of help pull down that back end too.
You make doors every day. Hey, look at me. Stop. Oh. Stop. Oh. Can we get somebody to hook to that rear end, and then we'll take this off? Okay. I can let off the brake. All in.
After we got this set back down, we ended up pulling all the spark plugs, turning the motor over to make sure there was no oil in the engine. Then we went ahead and checked all the fluids. We had to add 2 quarts of oil, 3 quarts of trans fluid, 1 quart of power steering, and it was actually able to drive itself backwards. Damage-wise, the Jeep did see quite a bit of damage. Windshield, fender, hood, door, B-pillar was okay, and the rear tub got smashed pretty good. You can see all that damage in these pictures here. It's not going to be a cheap fix, so unfortunate for Jason, but definitely glad he's okay. He's actually had to drive this thing home about 45 minutes. Back on the move. He did. Yeah, it actually kind of helped a little bit.